again. Welcome back, YouTube. Time flies. We're back for another vlog, and we're gonna go get some lunch. I'm meeting up with my boy Vic. You know him, rolling on 2, and we're gonna get some lunch at a new spot and have some fun. Let's do it. Deja vu. I bet you that this turn lane is blocked still. Why? Because construction from last time. And I got so many people mad that I was complaining about construction and them doing this in the middle of the day, and we have exactly 1 week later. It is noon on a Thursday, exactly 1 week later, and we are still doing the same thing and the same intersection. I said that they should do it at night. I stand by what I said. They should be doing this at night. It's obviously not an emergency, because if it was an emergency, you know, they'd get that thing done overnight. Enough about the construction and all that. It's just funny to me that it's still there 7 days later, and people were like, no, they can't work on it at night. Whatever. Anyways, we're gonna go find a new lunch spot. It's the last week's video did pretty well. People on all the platforms liked it, not just here on YouTube. My buddy Vic likes to do this as well, find cool places to eat. He's doing a series where he tries to find taco joints, and so you know, we're both going to be doing this kind of stuff, and it's just like showing off more of the area. So we get to ride, we get to eat. It's pretty cool. We're finding places and then, you know, giving some recommendations. Just pick them up rolling around in the front here. Boom, boom. Now we're gonna have to find a space to sit and wait for him real quick. I hear him. There he is over there. I wonder if he's seen me sitting here. Man, these love bugs are absolutely wild. It's crazy. They're just everywhere. What up, dude? Huh? Ready for some food? If I get pulled over for doing a wheelie, I'm gonna tell him it was accidental. Alright, we pulling up. Wink wink, where we got this park here? Oh, you doing the thing with the thing? Where you at?
Another one. Don't hide.
Well, you get a second one. All right, here we go. Grand Deli Subs. Let's go see. Oh, you know.
Thanks, sir.
No problem. What do we got? All
right, so this is the Cubano, and it's Larry's way, because they make it a specific way.
Larry.
I don't know. Get that first bite.
Yeah.
Get that first bite.
As usual, here we go.
Go. The 6-inch, foot long, and you're gonna add extra meat.
We went to Grand Deli Subs in Port Richey.
Yes.
What's your rating out of 5?
I'm gonna rate it. I like the Cuban.
Okay.
I'm gonna say out of 5, we're gonna go with 3.5.
Yeah, you know, I was gonna say the same thing.
We didn't talk about this.
We didn't talk about this. I was gonna say 3.5, only because as far as like inside, there's not really a lot of places to sit. It's a really in and out place. I can see it getting really busy, so it'd probably depend on when you come. The whole 9 yards. You know, what I'm saying is, like, for what you're paying for that Cuban sandwich, it's a long sandwich.
Yeah.
There's not a lot to it, so I would probably need to have, like, if I wanted a full lunch, I'd probably want like that and like or like that and a side or something like that.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for outside.
And your recommendation of having coffee with a Cuban sandwich is, you know, huge.
That would have definitely.
So anyways, Grand Deli Subs, I'm gonna give it a 3.5. It's worth stopping. I would say order ahead.
don't have to wait, especially.
That's it. Yeah. Order ahead, come in, pick it up, send it home, or send it back to your work, wherever. And yeah. Nice job. Good job. Alrighty, Grand Deli Subs in Newport Richey, 3.5 out of 5. Another weekly vlog food destination spot. Me and the boy Vic over there. Hope you enjoyed yet another option. So if you're around the area, you're visiting, I'm just giving you option after option. As usual, if you enjoy the video, if you enjoy the content, make sure you let me know. Hit the like button, the subscribe, the bells and whistles. It helps me out. And it helps me know what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. So appreciate you. Till next time, be safe.